Okay, so this is week 1, and I hope you're watching this before we meet on Wednesday. I want to show you how to go about getting SPSS for your computer, and that way when we meet we can ask questions. So this is the announcement that I sent out today. Not everything you'll see in week 1 will be there in this video because I'm still building it. My intention is to go completely online this semester and have live sessions via Zoom, and that way if anyone gets sick or has to care for someone who's sick or can't come to class, if we end up deciding that we want to be in person, which I'm not in favor of, let me just put that out there, then you can just do the online option so that nobody feels compelled to come to campus or even to be on the live session if they don't have access or it's too difficult. Okay, so really quick, my Blackboard site looks a lot like it did before, although we've had a Blackboard upgrade. So everything you need to know is here in this course content by week. I am in student view right now, so I will show you what you will see. So my intention is that every Saturday morning at 8 a.m. you'll get another folder like this. It will go live and it will show you what's required that week. Everything will go live at Saturday morning at 8 o'clock, and everything that is due in that week will be due by the following Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Now I am not going to accept any late work at all. So if you tell me you've uploaded the wrong section, too bad, it's a 0, or they uploaded the wrong version of your document. I will not accept it via email. So either you put the right one in Blackboard or you take the 0, because I just don't have the bandwidth, and the requirement is to do it in Blackboard, and I expect that of everyone. So I'll just say that and put that out there now. Okay, so let's go into week 1. This is a note to you. I haven't finished that yet, but I want to show you, here's the book information. You are not required to buy the book, but if you choose to do so, this is version 10 and this is version 9. Do not get Essentials for Statistics for the Behavioral Sciences. Get this one, Statistics for the Behavioral Sciences version 10, or 10th edition, I think is 65 on Amazon. And 9th edition, I even see a PDF that you can download on the website, or like on some website, but I'm not gonna tell you to do that obviously because that's breaking copyright. But I doubt that it will be that expensive, but if you click here, it will take you to the Amazon site. And you don't have to use Amazon if you have something else, or if you want to rent it, whatever is fine. Okay, so on the hub is how you're going to get SPSS. Click here. All right, let me expand a little bit. Hopefully you can see that. So if you come up here, you see faculty, students, and then schools. We're going to go to colleges and universities. We're going to find our school. We're in the United States. We're going to pick Texas. We're going to start typing in university. I could spell University of Houston. Can't spell, of course, because you're watching. And then you come down here to Clear Lake, okay? And it says log into your University of Houston Clear Lake web store. We just click there, and then we have to go to sign in. Okay, this looks familiar. I'm going to sign in, but I'm faculty, so I won't be able to show you exactly everything. But I'll show you as much as I can. Okay. So now we're signed in. I'm going to go to, let's just type in SPSS. Okay, I'm going to click the student option here. And I want you to do IBM SPSS Grad Packs. Let's go there. This is version 27 right now. I have version 26, but I will be upgrading later in the semester. I think our license goes at the end of October or sometime in October. You're going to rent it for 6 months. All right, I don't want you to rent it for any longer than that. This is the one I want you to do. This one here, IBM SPSS Statistics Standard Grad Pack 27 for Windows and Mac. 6-month rental, $51.95. You saved $2,600. Alright, so you click on this header and it takes you to the purchase page, right, where you can add it to your cart. Let's just check really quickly system requirements. So for Windows you need to have a 64-bit machine, which if you have a 32-bit I don't think it will support it, so either you'll have to go into the computer lab at school, or hopefully you know someone who will let you do it on their machine. If you have a Mac, you need to have one of these operating systems. So okay, add it to the cart, purchase it. If they give you an activation key, make sure you hang on to that, because you'll need that once you've downloaded it and open it. It won't actually run until you type in the activation key. They may or may not have done away with that, but if you get one and it says something about an activation key, hang on to it. Okay, so now briefly I just want to show you what SPSS looks like. So this, it's really just a spreadsheet, right? We have file, I don't know that you can see that. Let me see if I can move this up. But down here you have data view and variable view, and those do different things. Let me see if I can pull this up, show you up here. So then we have file, edit, view, etc., etc. You can type in any old data, right? And then you would come to variable view. You can name it, or let's say test 1, and then we could do descriptives, move that over, highlight it, move it over. We get the mean, the standard deviation, the minimum, the maximum. We'll just say okay, and then it brings up this output page, which gives you the average, 41, and with a standard deviation of 26. There are many more things we can do with this, and I'll show you all those things, but I just wanted to show you briefly what it looks like. If you come down, I know this thing is kind of moving around, but down at the bottom you have output and you have the actual data page, and you can do the same things from either page. Anyway, all I ask is that the first week you download SPSS onto your machine and take a picture of yourself in front of it, or take a screenshot of it on your computer. I don't care, just show me that you have it, because the assumption is going to be week 2 we're going to get up and running and using it, and I want you not to have to worry about getting it on your computer, because it should have been done the first week. All right.